the beginnings of the restoration of the lost heritage of Israel coming soon, but in parts. As God is the Lord, the Holy One of Israel, so shall I keep the great covenant of peace, which I am about to make unto Israel, of all the tribes of Israel, even those previously lost. However, soon shall the lost tribes not be lost, inasmuch as the lands I have given them in these modern times, within the nations they currently possess, shall I, the Lord, reveal. After which, I shall then reveal the specific tribes of all 14 named tribes, even revealing the genetic heritages of the peoples of Israel afterwards in great mystery. Thereafter, O Israel, most all of your lost heritage shall be restored to you, whereupon I shall then call upon you to seek your God. End of message. Thusly says the Almighty Lord God, is spoken and written this day, date and time of Monday the 14th of May 2018 at 3:22 p.m. American Eastern Daylight Time, Tampa Bay, Florida, the United States of America, the place where my godly holy name is meticulously and awesomely engraved. Published for Wednesday the 3rd of October 2018.